We're making pizza.
Pizza?
Yeah, pizza is amazing.
This looks like Mexican food.
Mom, spread it in here. Mom, you need to know. Need to squeeze it.
Show me.
How
okay.
Need to squeeze it.
Like that?
Yes, that's what you have to do.
All right.
Now, what's the next thing?
What do we need next? Here's your spoon.
No, we need first. We need this.
That's some beef.
I found another one. And where's the other one?
I found some right here.
Yay! You did it! Now let's cut it. That's the knife. Cut it right here. Oh, cut it right here.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mom, hold this.
Yes. Oh, watch my finger. Thank you. There
Now what next? What screen do you want? We need this first.
Chicken.
Chicken. No.
Chicken. Here we go.
Careful with my finger.
Okay.
Thank you.
Watch your finger. Oh, very
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now, what first screen do we
What's
need?
next?
We need this.
That is shrimp.
Oh, I see shrimp. There it is. I found it.
Very good. You
Now
did
let's
find
cut
it. Okay. Are you going to cut it? Here you go.
How?
We got to be very careful and watch our fingers, right?
Right.
Oh, wait. There you go.
No,
shrimp.
What first do we need?
We need to season it.
No, like pepper.
Yeah, onions and peppers. That's good
Onions.
flavor.
I
That's onion.
onions. You want to cut the knife? Here you go.
Sure. Thanks for sharing.
We need to get really cut off.
Watch your fingers.
Thank
Very
you.
good. Yes, you're welcome. 2 onions.
2 onions. Now
What's
we need these. Oh, I see one. I found one. I found it.
Bell peppers.
The bell peppers. Yay, we found them. Now,
Good job.
You want to cut the knife?
It's your turn to cut. I'll hold it. Just watch my fingers and you cut it. Very good again.
No,
You're good at that.
now put it in here.
In the pot?
Yeah. Now, what green do we need next? We need this.
Oh, some crema.
Yes, that's crema.
Yes.
No, we need to scoop it with our...
Watch. This is what we do.
No, we don't need it. We need our spoon. We need our spoon. That's what I need. No, that's not
That's
it.
crema. There you go. And then you scoop it out.
Now scoop it. Now scoop it in the bowl. Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah. Now,
Now, what's next?
No, we didn't tell yet.
Oh, okay.
Now we need this.
Salsa
Yeah, where's salsa?
right there.
Oh, salsa, there you are. Now let's put it in here and squeeze it.
Now we need beans,
No, we need this.
hot sauce.
Here's our sauce.
Ooh, that's gonna be hot and spicy.
That will like it.
Yes.
Now what granted we need
Would you like these beans?
yes, we forgot it.
Okay. Here's your spoon.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We need our
Scoop it in the
spoon.
pot.
It's so hard.
Get those beans. Very good.
Now let's mix it up
Mix it up
with our spoon.
with our spoon.
Now it'll be yummy. Oh, we forgot cheese.
Oh, My goodness.
We've got cheese.
The best part, huh?
You forgot the cheese.
Okay.
She got the cheese.
Okay.
Let's put it out of it in our spoon.
Sure. Here you go.
No, you get it. No, you.
Are you going to hold it for me?
Yeah. Open it.
Okay.
Open it.
Okay.
Now put it in the pan. Now put it in here.
You want to hold it like this for me?
Yeah.
Like that? Thank you.
Get it, girl. You got it, girl. You get it, girl. Get it, girl. You got it, girl. There's no one. No. But we forgot lettuce.
Oh, whoa.
We forgot it.
Get it.
There's another lettuce.
Okay.
What? We forgot another lettuce.
There it is. Lettuce.
Now let's mix it up.
Mix it up. Here you go.
No, you mix it up. Now let's eat it.
Can we?
Oh, no, wait, we forgot.
Avocado.
Yeah, you like avocado.
Oh.
You do?
I do. Do
Yeah.
you?
No. What?
You ate avocado when you were a baby.
Here you go, Mommy. Here for you. Here for you. Now eat it.
I think we're missing an ingredient.
Oh, we're missing.
Tomatoes.
Now let's eat it. Now
I want an extra tomato.
Oh, sorry. We forgot the other one.
Thank you very much.
Oh, no, put it right here.
Okay.
Mom,
You gotta keep it in the screen. Look. You see?
Mom,
You see your screen?
Yeah.
There you go. Like that. Now.
Mommy,
We're
now eat
ready.
it. Now eat it.
Now I can eat it. Okay,
Now
I'm gonna take a big bite.
No, a small bite.
Is that okay?
Yeah, that's okay. That's a small bite. Eat it.
Ready?
Yeah. That's really hot. Yes, that's we have to blow it. Now eat it. Now touch it in your mouth.
Okay, it's warm now.
Oh,
Now I
yeah.
can take a bite.
Yeah, now you can take a bite. You can take a bite.
Mmm. That's very delicious.
Now try these.
Try the avocado.
Yeah, dried avocados. That's really
Oh,
good.
those aren't hot. Those are cold.
Yeah, you can eat them.
You want to try it too?
Mm-hmm.
Just try it. You might like it.
That's good.
Very good. I like them too.
That's yummy.
Mmm. Delicious.
Yeah, delicious.
Here,
Yummy.
would you like to take a bite?
You say,
That's my favorite.
Oh no, you do. I know you like this. Let's try lettuce. He liked it.
I want you to take a bite now.
Ow. That's good.
It's great.